Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm back and I actually got my account back today. And it was the person who I thought it was. It was Fantastic Love. She even admitted it. So I said, well, it was you, and she put a question mark. You hacked my account back because she gave me the account. What do you mean by that? Are you mad or... But why? I'm kinda mad. Don't be. I have it back. I gave it back. Gotta go now. That's why I'm kinda mad. That's why I put. And she even admitted it to this girl. Fantastic Love isn't me. By the way. OMI, I am so sorry for the old owner. I'm the one who gave her the account and I hacked it back. I am very, very sorry about that. My name is Fantastic Love. So, thanks Fantastic Love. I made this account, as you remember in my other video. And I've been messaging Fantastic Love on that. Because, I asked her, are you on my account? And then she kept saying no, and then she said to me, wait, I have the account. Yeah, she told me the password was LOL3. And then I was like saying, can you help me? I really want my account. But it's fine. But I got it, and I said how, and then she put, I really don't know, but you're welcome. And then, what is it then? LOL123. And, in a minute! But yeah, so I got my account back. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.